Hello to all travel and adventure lovers. Thailand, the land of smiles, paradise islands, and unique cultures, amazingly always has something to surprise us. But did you know this country is full of secrets many people don't know about? Join me in this video to discover 10 shocking and exciting facts about Thailand. Number 10. At Wat Traimit in Bangkok, there's a golden Buddha statue weighing a staggering 5.5 tons. Yes, you heard it right, 5.5 tons of pure gold. The fascinating part of the story is that this statue was hidden under a layer of plaster until 1955, and it was only accidentally discovered when being moved. Picture this, as the plaster broke, pure gold was revealed. This statue is one of the world's most priceless treasures and represents Thailand's immense power and grandeur. Number 9. Did you know that Bangkok doesn't just have a simple name? Far from it. Its official name is so long that when you tried to say it all, it could take you a few minutes. The name translates to City of Angels and the Holy Residence of the Gods. Why is this so special? The Thai people deeply respect their culture and history, and the name of their capital reflects the profound meaning they attach to it. Number 8. If you love energy drinks, you might want to know that Red Bull has Thai origins. This global brand, known for giving you an energy boost, was inspired by a local Thai drink called Krating Deng in the 70s. The drink gained instant popularity in Thailand due to its unique taste and energy boosting properties, and eventually it became the global energy drink brand we know today. So every time you crack open a Red Bull, you're holding a piece of Thai history. Number 7. Let's talk about an incredible creature, the white elephant. In Thailand, these aren't just ordinary animals, are sacred and incredibly important. White elephants symbolize power and prosperity. In the past, they were given as royal gifts. When a white elephant was found, it was considered a sign of good fortune for the royal family and the people of Thailand. So if you ever encounter one of these majestic creatures, you're in the presence of something truly sacred. Number 6. Imagine walking into a temple and seeing an enormous Buddha lying down in front of you. This image is unforgettable. At Wat Pho in Bangkok, you can see the world's largest reclining Buddha, measuring a massive 46 meters long. The statue is covered in gold, and its feet are adorned with beautiful mother-of-pearl patterns. Even more fascinating is how the statue represents deep spiritual meanings in Thai Buddhism. Visiting this majestic statue will make you feel like you're standing before. Number 5. If you're looking for a tropical paradise, Thailand is one of the best places on earth. With more than 40 stunning islands, you'll find pristine beaches and crystal clear waters. From the island of Phuket to the lush landscapes of Koh Samui, each island is a little slice of heaven. Imagine relaxing on a beach with breathtaking views and the sound of the waves in the background. This is the reality of Thailand's islands. Do you want to know more and more about the unknowns of the world? So be sure to subscribe and like this video. Number 4. If you ever visit Thailand, you can't miss King's Day. This is one of the most important national events where the Thai people honor their beloved king. The streets are filled with festivities, fireworks, and special ceremonies. It's a celebration of love and respect for the monarchy, and witnessing it is an unforgettable experience that shows the deep connection between the Thai people and their royal family. Number 3. Thailand is known for its unique and lively festivals, and one of the most fun is Songkran, which takes place in April. During this festival, people throw water at each other. Yes, you heard that right, water fights everywhere. This event is not just for fun, it's a traditional way to cleanse and celebrate the new year. Another amazing festival is Loi Krathong, where thousands of lanterns are released into the night sky, creating a breathtaking sight. These festivals are just a few examples of the colorful celebrations that make Thailand special. Number 2. If you love tropical fruits, Thailand is the place to be. From juicy mangoes and sweet papayas to fresh coconuts, the variety of fruits here is mind-blowing. You can even try exotic fruits like durian, known for its strong smell and unique taste, if you're brave enough. When you visit Thailand's markets, the colorful array of tropical fruits will tempt you at every turn, making it a paradise for fruit lovers. Number 1. Here's a strange twist. Thailand is one of the largest producers of e-cigarettes in the world, yet using and selling them is completely illegal in the country. This paradox has led to a confusing situation where many locals produce e-cigarettes, but the law prohibits their use and sale. It's just one of the many quirky regulations in Thailand that make it unique.